Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new on this channel, please subscribe, like this video, and share this video. Today we'll be making stir fry spaghetti at the comfort of our home. Very delicious, simple, and ready within 10 minutes. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So I'll be adding vegetable oil to the frying pan, heat it a little bit, then cut some onions into it. So I'll be frying the onion for about a minute. Then I add my already washed shredded chicken. I made this shredded chicken myself, but then you can buy at any store. But if you want to make it at home, just buy chicken breast, then shred it into smaller pieces before using. So I'll be stirring the shredded chicken for about 2 minutes, then I'll season it, add salt and seasoning cube to taste. Yeah, so I stir it together. Once the shredded chicken is ready, it will change the color and you can feel like, oh, it is soft and done. Then you go in with the red and green pepper. Fry it for about a minute too. Then I'll go in with my blended habanero pepper. Stir it, then add the carrot and the sausage roll. The sausage has already been diced. So stir everything together until the sausage is done and like okay to be consumed. I'll be going in with curry powder, ginger and garlic powder, seasoning cubes, sweet corn, green beans, and stir everything together. Lastly, I'll go in with the spring onions. Can stir everything together, then it is ready to use. And I'll put it in a sieve and keep it for later. This is a pot of boiling water. I'll add salt into it, leave it to boil, then go in with the spaghetti. So I'll be adding few drops of oil so the spaghetti doesn't stick together. So once it is soft and tender, I'll drain it. So I'll be adding it to the already made sauce and stir everything together until it's incorporated. Then our stir fry spaghetti is ready to be served. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. Do well to join us for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.